After more than a year in the making, St Brigid's roof has been transformed into a powerhouse.
It was the perfect opportunity for solar, and I also mountain climb, and I'm an environmental consultant, so it all came together as a little package.
Levi Gibson took on the challenge of climbing Mount Kilimanjaro, and the community rallied behind him. With donations from families and local businesses, he raised $36,600.
So I climbed in July of last year. That was an 8-day trek to the summit, and it was unforgettable. I climb a lot, and it was one that I will definitely cherish for many years to come.
Coinciding with Catholic Education Week, the 42 kilowatt system was officially unveiled.
The saving of electricity bills, we've averaged out to be about $12,000 a year, will be redirected back into school resources.
The financial savings welcome, but just as important is the benefit for the environment.
We've saved 62 trees, which the kids love to know that information, and we've also reduced our carbon footprint by about 2.5 tonnes.
The future is looking a little brighter. Katie Gallagher, Win News.
Enjoyed this Win News item? Like, tag or share with friends.